Omugasomu ya umwanchi umurierero Ndizi TV na bubwa nsubo mu Gusii gena litkoria ondigenderete ko bari toero kigima nane no genderete kwegokya aso kubwatia emirobero yonsi Kenya ekerono omurai wense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto ara sense ya Zambia aso musangirekano okomesa oyorengete gokwanera Chinchera na bobonchorera na boigogo kinya uchumi egatiye Chinsa chiga nekerono mokonyi bomurai wense rigadiga shawa agenderete wikirana semesangirekano au omukonyi bumurai wense rigadiga shawa agenderete no musangirikano ase county ya Meru oyorengete kobokia omboremi bwekemeriye kawa ase ensemeyo okwana chinga kiecho gashawa nigatebire bya ase amatkarwosyo naboigo kwenyorera engeri
avocado and other crops. Will group them together because we cannot have too many conferences for each crop. But at least coffee and tea should stand on their own because they are huge. We'll be back again to discuss issues of macadamia, issues of avocado, which CS Korea has taken with a lot of energy, but we want to bring all the stakeholders together so that we agree what is it that we do so that we have sustainable solutions. Kwa hivyo mimi niseme, I have very clear and equivocal instructions from President William Ruto that we must sort out the coffee subsector and restore the dignity of the Kenyan farmer.
Okwana boigase chinga kiecho nigo gashagwa beire gakororokana komomochio yokabeiro murai wense urumiga Kenyatta askeria atebiro buna nogo sonana nobokoreri bwe serikali niga momochire asogoteba buna nigo asoburai bwaye atakorete